Second problem. Find the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is e power x into x sin y plus y cos y. See, imaginary part. Imaginary part means v they have given. Solution by data. See, solution by data v they are given imaginary part e power x into x sin y plus y into cos y. Now differentiate v with respect to x and y. First differentiate with respect to x. Vx equals e power x, right, as it is. Differentiation of x is 1, 1 into sin y is sin y, and this is constant 0, plus this term right as it is. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. E power x is common, take outside, sin y plus x into sin y plus y into cos y. Now differentiate v with respect to y. Vy equals e power x constant, right, as it is, x into sin y differentiation cos y plus product rule you have to differentiate y into cos y is minus sin y plus cos y differentiation of y is 1. Therefore Vy equals e power x x cos y minus y sin y plus cos y. Now consider f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx, okay, in Cartesian form. But here v they are given and you have to find out vx and vy. You have to convert this ux in terms of v by CR equation. In CR equation ux means vy. So you have to remember the CR equations. Ux means you can write vy. Therefore f dash of z equals vy plus I into vx. Therefore f dash of z equals, substitute vy here. Vy means this one. Substitute plus I into vx means this one. Substitute here. Then apply Milne-Thomson method. Put x equals z and y equals 0 in this. In place of x, z, and in place of y, 0. Therefore f dash of z equals e power z. Cos 0 is 1. X means z minus y is 0. So this term is 0 and cos 0 is 1 plus I into e power z. Sin 0 is 0. Here also sin 0 is 0 and y is there. So again this becomes 0. Completely this term is 0. Therefore f dash of z equals z plus 1 into e power z. Now integrate this by parts. Formula. Integration of u into v equals u into integration of v minus u dash double integration of v. Take this as u and this as v. Apply this formula. F of z equals first term and integration of e power z is e power z minus differentiation of this with respect to z is 1, 0. This is 0. So only we get 1 and integration of e power z is e power z plus constant of integration c. Now multiply this e power z inside the bracket, z into e power z plus e power z minus e power z plus 1. These two get cancelled. Therefore f of z equals z e power z plus c. This is the required solution. Third problem. Find the analytic function f of z given u equals e power minus x into x square minus y square cos y plus 2xy sin y. Solution. First differentiate u with respect to x. Ux equals product rule you have to differentiate e power minus x, right, as it is, x square differentiation 2x into cos y and this is 0 plus differentiation of x is 1, 2y sin y plus this term right as it is into differentiation of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. Now differentiate u with respect to y. E power minus x, right, as it is, e power minus x x square minus y square minus sin 2y plus cos y into minus 2y plus 2x y cos y plus sin y. Consider f dash of z equals ux plus I into vx. See u they are given, so you have to convert this vx in terms of u by CR equation. Vx means minus uy. Therefore f dash of z equals ux minus I into uy. By Milne-Thomson method, put x equals z and y equals 0 in ux and uy. Too lengthy, so directly we can put. No need of writing here. Directly we can put in place of xz and y in place of y 0. So that becomes f dash of z equals e power minus z 2z plus z square into e power minus z minus I into imaginary part will be, this will be completely 0. Therefore f dash of z equals 2z minus z square, e power minus z is common, take outside. Integrate by parts, f of z, derivative get cancelled, therefore f of z equals first term integration of e power minus z is minus e power minus z minus differentiation of this one 2 minus 2z, again integration of this one is minus into minus plus e power minus z, again differentiate this, differentiation of minus 2z is minus 2, again integrate this minus e power minus z plus constant of integration c. Simplify this, minus 2z e power minus z get cancelled, these two, and minus 2 e power minus z, these two get cancelled, you will get f of z equals z square e power minus z plus c is the required solution.